Hey guys, Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our STEELMASTER Industrial Heavy Duty Variable Rake Hydraulic Guillotine. Our Variable Rake Hydraulic Guillotine offers the functionality to metalworking fabricators to adjust your rake angle on your guillotine. So you can vary the rake from say 3 degrees all the way down to say 0.5. Why? Because like if you're cutting off thin strips, basically having a low rake angle on a guillotine gives you minimal twist. It's also good for cutting stainless steel, and also the variable rake guillotine is generally built to a super heavy duty capacity and frame build, general all-round build quality to suit the heavy structural cutting customer. Now let's run through this machine here. This particular one is a 4 metre by 8mm cutting capacity, which is 5mm stainless, and also we offer this one in a 4 metre by 13mm cutting capacity machine too. This one's also fitted up with rear light gauge sheet supports. So basically, if you're doing thin gauge material, who'd buy this one here? Maybe like a commercial catering guy that's doing up to say 3mm stainless steel. So having the rear sheet support system at the back of the guillotine holds the sheet flat to the back gauge and saves it from drooping down, which you'll understand what I mean. So once you sort of pass through generally under 3 and 4mm thickness, the sheet will actually fall away and miss the back gauge. So by having the rear sheet support system on it is a very good feature, and basically turns a two-man job into one. So anyway, running around the features of our variable rake guillotine, on the left-hand side here we have a P40 Touch Cnc Controller. So everything smart about this machine starts from here. So it gives you full functionality of having a CNC control over your guillotine. We've got a separate video that'll actually run you through the CNC controller, but gives you all your functionality, cut length, cut patching, tensile strength, CNC control via the controller. Now over here we've also got the front pull-up guard there as well. So as you can see there, you've got access there. It's limit switch activated, but it just shows you the heavy duty build quality there. We've got individual clamping jacks all the way along. There's generally sort of more clamping jacks on the cutting side. Obviously when you're cutting sort of smaller pieces, we've got the reversible top and bottom blade there as well. As you can see here, heavy duty calibrated in-feed control and squaring arm. So put that back down again. And also one of the features on our variable rake guillotine, we've also got a angle device there as well. So you can actually alter your incoming sort of feed angle. This slides up and down, but you can actually set this to sort of cut on 45 degrees, etc. So that's only on our variable rake guillotines. As you can see, we specify super heavy duty beds, frame, all-round build quality on our variable rake guillotine is super strong. Foot pedal control on our 4 metre machine, so we've got a squaring arm there on the left-hand side, and then 3 other sheet supports there in front. They're all calibrated, as you can see there. So coming close here, they're all key-slotted. They've got calibrations that sort of allow you to actually either trim the back or just use these calibrations for measuring your sheet. We'll just do a stroke. So bring this over here, we'll turn this on, you hear it fire up. Super low noise. So coming close, I'll just do a single stroke, but if you get just over there and watch the machine sort of stroke down, you'll hear it stroke, but also too of the nitrogen assist, bringing back the blade back up. So there it is, super low noise hydraulics and operating gears. So let's run around the machine. Come around this way. As I said, 4 metre heavy duty variable rake machine, front squaring arm, sheet supports, front safety guards. We've got a side throat here as well, and then running around the back of the machine here. As I said, if you look down low, you can see the rear sheet support systems there. So you can stay there. I'll go back around the front again and actually stroke that guillotine just to show you how these sheet supports work. So there's our 4 metre variable rake guillotine. We've also got safety guards and that there as well, so if somebody comes in and breaks the guard, like I'll do now, it'll turn the machine off. So there's our variable rake STEELMASTER guillotine. Jump into assetplant.com.au and find our range of heavy duty industrial quality sheet metal machinery. Thanks and have a great day.